Want to know how to get Manus AI invite code? Then in this video guys, I'm gonna show you how to get it. Now, as you can see here on the home page, I click get started and I can quickly go ahead and sign into my account. But just before I do, what you want to do if you're first time accessing this website is that you want to enter your email address here and you want to go ahead and request to get access to Manus. Now, what's going to happen after you enter your email and join that waiting list is that after some time, it could be a couple of days or a few weeks. In my case, it take me about 2 weeks. You will receive an email just like this one that says you're in, and you can simply click and try Manus. Now that will take you over to the Manus website where you can easily go ahead and sign in. So in my case, I have access to Manus. I can click and sign in, and I will sign in with my email address that I use to request access to Manus. Once you do that, you should be able to access Manus AI just like I am right here. And that's it guys, you just need to be patient, wait a couple of days. If you Google this, it will tell you that it will take a few days or even a few weeks. But from my experience, it took me about 2 weeks to get access to Manus AI. And that's it, just wait a couple of days or wait for about 2 weeks or so, and you should get that long awaited email that will give you access to Manus AI.